In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachment in Jira. If you need to upload a screenshot, a bug log, a document, or any other supporting file to a Jira issue, this process is actually very straightforward once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the right project, open the correct issue, upload your file using two common methods, and then confirm that everything was added successfully. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your company's Jira site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if that's how your organization accesses Jira. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, look at the navigation bar near the top of the screen and click Projects. From there, select the project where the issue you want to update is located. After the project opens, you'll usually see a board view such as Scrum or Kanban with cards representing bugs, tasks, or user stories. You can scroll through the board or use the search field at the top to find the exact issue you need. When you find it, click the issue key or issue title to open the issue details. Depending on your Jira layout, this may appear as a side panel or open as a full issue view. The quickest way to add a file is by dragging and dropping it directly into the issue. Open your computer's file manager and place it beside your browser window so both are visible. Then click and hold the file you want to upload, drag it over the open Jira issue and release it. If Jira supports drag and drop in your current view, you should see an upload area appear, and the file will begin uploading automatically. If that method is not convenient, you can use the built-in attachment option instead. In the issue view, look near the top for the attach button, usually shown with a paperclip icon. Click it once and a file selection window will open. Browse to the file you want, select it, and click Open. Jira will then upload the file to that issue. Once the upload is complete, scroll down to the Attachments section. This is where you can review the file you just added. In some Jira setups, you may also be able to edit the file description or adjust visibility settings, which can be useful if your team needs to organize files more clearly or limit access. Finally, verify that the file name appears correctly and that the upload has finished successfully. Jira usually saves attachment changes automatically, so once the upload indicator is complete and the file is visible, your attachment is now part of the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.